Discuss the equations of motion. There are three equations of motion. All these equations are known as also equation of linear motion. So first equation is v equal to u plus at, and second is equal to s equal to ut plus half at square, and v square is third is v square equal to u square plus 2a s, where s is the displacement, a is the acceleration, uniform acceleration, t is the interval of time, s is the distance, v is the u is the initial velocity, v is the final velocity. In the derivation of equation of motion, by the graphical method, the first equation is v equal to u plus at. We will plot graph between velocity and time, and consider u is the initial velocity at t equal to 0, and this object is moving along a straight line with uniform acceleration. Then we will get the straight line dc, and in interval of time t. Then according to definition of acceleration equal to change in velocity upon interval of time. U is the initial velocity, v the final velocity. So change in velocity is equal to v minus u. So the change in velocity is equal to this. It means bc. This equal to this bc. It is v minus u, and interval of time is t. Then a is equal to v minus u upon t. And by cross multiply 8 into v minus u, or u is equal to u plus 80, u or u plus 80 is equal to v is equal to u plus 80. This is the first equation. And second equation is s equal to ut plus half at square. We will describe this second equation of motion with the help of same graph. Displacement, we will, if we want to find the displacement, then the displacement will be equal to area under the slope of velocity and time graph, that is area under the CD. So area under the CD is equal to area of triangle BCBD and area of rectangle OABD. So area of displacement is equal to area under the slope of CD plus area of triangle CBD plus area of rectangle OABD. So displacement is equal to area of triangle CBD plus area of rectangle OABD. So if displacement is denoted by s, so area of triangle is given by 1 by 2 BD into base into height plus OA into AB. S equal to 1 by 2, BD is equal to T. You can observe in the graph. BC is equal to V minus U, that is change in velocity. O is equal to time, and AB is equal to U, that is initial velocity. S equal to 1 by 2 T into 80. V minus, from the first equation of motion, V minus U equal to 80. So V minus U equal to 80 by putting the value of V minus U equal to 80 in this equation, plus U into T. It means ut. So s equal to ut, we will arrange these terms, ut plus half at square. So second equation is proved, s equal to ut plus half at square. And the third equation of motion is v square equal to u square plus 2as, and for this equation we will find the area of the same area with the help of other formula, that is area of trapezium, and the formula area of trapezium is given by 1 by 2 sum of the parallel lines plus perpendicular distance between the parallel lines. So this is the formula, area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 sum of parallel lines into perpendicular distance between the parallel lines. So s equal to 1 by 2 sum of parallel lines. The parallel lines OD and AC, the parallel lines, and the perpendicular distance OA or BD is equal to T. So S equal to 1 by 2 OD plus AC into OA. The value of O is T, OD is equal to U, AC is equal to V. S equal to 1 by 2 U plus V into T. S equal to 1 by 2 U plus V into the value of T from the first equation of motion, V minus is equal to AT. From here we can obtain the value of T, V minus U by A. Then S equal to U 1 by 2 U plus V into V minus U upon A. S equal to 1 by 2 by taking the 1 by 2 A and together. S equal to 1 by 2 A V plus U into V minus U, and this there is a formula. It is a useful formula for this term. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Similarly, the value of V plus U into V minus U, we can put the value, this value. It means V square minus U square. So S is equal to 1 by 2 A V square minus U square. By cross multiply 2A with x with S, then 2AS equal to V square minus U square. V square equal to U square plus 2AS. By arrangement these terms, U square plus 2S equal to V square, or V square equal to U square plus 2S. This is the third equation of motion or linear motion.